Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can switch your TikTok to dark mode. Since some people be facing the issue of not knowing how to switch their TikTok to a dark theme or mode, so I'm going to show you how you can manipulate the changes according to your likes. Hence why in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done. So let's simply start by opening TikTok. And now that TikTok is open, make sure you on the menu profile. So start by opening the three dots in the corner. Then simply come and then open settings and privacy. And now that the settings are open, you can see all these tools to work with. So simply start by sliding down and then try open dark mode. And now that it's open you can see all these tools to work with as well. So simply come and then click on dark. Since yours is currently set to white. And now as you can see your TikTok has been set to dark mode. So from the settings, to features and videos, they all have applied the dark mode. However, I can also show you how you can have your TikTok's theme match your phone settings. So simply go back. And then simply turn on this button which says use device settings. So for example let's try turn off the dark mode in our phone. And now as you can see our TikTok 2 immediately turned to light mode as well. So from now on you can manage our TikTok's theme however you like. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.